Hello there. Today I'll be talking about the NG-D500 Smart Video Doorbell. This doorbell comes with two-way audio, night vision, motion detection, a local and cloud storage. It is important to note that this doorbell does not require any cables for installation and it is very easy to install. Today I'll be showing you how to connect this doorbell to your mobile devices. So let's get right into that. Before we begin to connect our smart video doorbell, it is important to note that you have to download the NGTeco Home app on your mobile devices, which is available on both App Store and Google Play Store. So here we have our smart video doorbell, and it comes with a chime, which will be connected inside your homes. So whenever someone rings on your doorbell, you can hear the sound through the chime for inside your homes. To connect our smart video doorbell, the first thing we have to do is to reset this doorbell. If you turn the doorbell over to its side, you would see a flap. Open up that flap and you'll see two holes, which resets clearly written above one. Now you have to look for a safety pin or an office pin which you will use to reset this device. Simply push your pin into the reset hole and press gently. Hold on for a few seconds. Now when you hear that prompt saying system reset, you can close up your flap. Now we would go and get our mobile device which we will be connecting the smart video doorbell to. As you can see, I already have the NGTeco Home app installed on my mobile device. So once I click on NGTeco Home app, there is no device currently registered on my NGTeco Home app. So I'm going to click on Add Devices. Now we have a variety of devices ranging from smart cameras to video doorbells to alarm sensors to electricals, lighting. We're going to click on Video Doorbell. You will clearly see the D500 doorbell option. You select that. Now the first thing it's telling us to do is to reset our device, which we have already done. So you can simply click on next step, then next. Now you have to make sure your mobile device is connected to a Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm connected to ZKTeco West Africa Wi-Fi. So I can click on next. Now it's telling me to place my video doorbell in front of my mobile device so my doorbell can scan this QR code. Now I'm going to carry out the same action. Simply place it in front, then take it back, bring it together. Now I heard the prompt telling me that it has successfully scanned my QR code, so I can click on I heard a prompt. Hold on for a few seconds. Video doorbell added successfully, so I'll click on done. As you can see, by merely standing in front of the doorbell, you can see whoever is in front of your door. So once I press on the doorbell, you get a notification. You can either decline or accept. So I'm going to accept. Accept. Hello, can I come in?
Hello, can I come in?
Now you can have conversations with whoever is standing in front of your door. This is the simple way to connect your NG-D500 smart video doorbell to your mobile phones.